Today, I'm showing Transformers IPFS, a library that lets you load Hugging Face models directly from IPFS. First, let's see it live in this Hugging Face space. This is a simple sentiment analysis demo. The underlying model wasn't downloaded from the hub in the traditional way. It was loaded using an IPFS address. Let's try a positive comment. This library is fantastic and easy to use. And you see, it correctly identifies it as positive. Now for a negative one. I encountered several problems and bugs. And again, it gets it right. Negative. So the library works seamlessly, fetching the model directly from the decentralized IPFS network. How does this work? Let's quickly look at the GitHub repository. The core idea is simple. When you install Transformers IPFS and run Transformers IPFS Activate, it sets itself up to automatically patch the Hugging Face Transformers library every time you run Python. Specifically, it wraps the from pre-trained method used by classes like AutoModel and AutoTokenizer. When you provide an address starting with IPFS followed by the model's content ID CID, our patched function takes over. It first checks a local cache. Then, it tries to download the model using your local IPFS node if you have one running. That's the fastest and most reliable way. If a local node isn't found, it automatically falls back to using public IPFS gateways like IPFS.io or W3S.link to fetch the files. Once downloaded, it passes the local path to the original Transformers function. Now let's demonstrate this step-by-step in Google Colab. First, we install the library, pip install Transformers IPFS. Next, we activate the integration, Transformers IPFS Activate. This makes the IPFS loading automatic for this session and future ones if we were in a persistent environment. Now the actual code. We import AutoTokenizer and AutoModel as usual. But look here. Instead of a model name from the hub, we use an IPFS URI pointing directly to the model's CID on IPFS. Let's run this cell. Watch the output. You'll see messages indicating it's loading from IPFS. Since Colab doesn't have a local IPFS node, it's using a public gateway. And just like that, the tokenizer and model are loaded successfully, ready to use, fetched directly from the decentralized web. So that's Transformers IPFS. It provides a simple, automatic way to make your Hugging Face projects more decentralized and resilient by loading models directly from IPFS. It requires minimal setup and works across different environments.